Now we will explain in this video how to introduce a unit code to a unit. If you recall from the previous videos, we knew how to enter a new item, a newly imported item to the system, and how to enter a newly manufactured item to the system. But and making this means that you only got half the way. Another steps remain. In order to enable the accountants of the unit to use these codes that you have entered, you must attach the entered code with the unit you want to introduce the item to. Now let's go to the coding files, items. Now here I'll assume that you have entered the item, whether it's imported or manufactured, and you know its code, its DBME code, so you can search its DBME code just like this. Enter here, blah blah blah, okay, and whatever. Then you say locate in order to go to the item you want to introduce, or to allow the accountant of this unit to use it in the inventory system. Okay, now let's say that this is the item, this is an imported item. Okay, you want to allow the accountant of, say, ADBC to use it. So you make here edit record, and then you go here, double click, shows a list of all the units you can use. Select ADBC, and here in the unit code you can just enter the unit code, the item name, as you want. So I'll say it's my new unit code. Okay, now you can see that still the line gives a gray color. This means that if I press save now, this line will not be saved. Why is it giving a gray line instead of blue? You must stay the status. The status here can be trial, replacement, standard, or cancelled. Okay, let's make it trial T. Still it's gray. So what's the problem? We must specify a 3-digit number after the status. So it's T001, okay, or I could have made R replacement 003, okay, or standard does not need numbers, okay, or cancelled 001, okay. So let's stick with the trial 001, and now if I press save, this item with this DBME code will be introduced in ADBC, and after I send coding data to the internet, the ADBC accountant will be able to use this item. Just he enters the DBME code, and this unit code or this name will show to him. Okay, now let's say that this is not the case. Let's say that you have an item, and this item you want, for example, to introduce in Saudi Arabia, but you know that its unit code or its name is already found in Saudi Arabia. This is an item that is a variation of another item. It has only the status different. So what to do? We just press edit, and here we'll select SADBE, okay. And now instead of entering the unit code by ourselves, we will double click also, okay. It gives us a list of all the unit codes in Saudi Arabia, okay, and we can select one of them, and also we can select the status here instead of typing it as we did the last time. So let's enter. I want stone hard 1600. I'm searching for it. Okay, it gives me all the stone hard 1600 that are found currently in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so I'll select this one and I'll say it is a replacement. Okay, and press OK. As you see, it says that this is replacement number 27 for this unit code in Saudi Arabia. Okay, and now I can press save and make sure that this DBM code will show to the SLB accountant and he can use it in the inventory system.